Pag nag-focus ka talaga sa growth mo, nag-improve ka, nako, wala yan. Wala yung saturation, wala yung competition.
Hi, I'm Glaze Gonzalez. I talk about things in my life that I do not the usual way. Maybe career, love life, finances, faith, whatever. If you're someone who is also not so comfy or ayaw na ng status quo, ng mga basic things in life, ng mga how it's supposed to be done. Gusto mo mag-explore, alam mo na hindi yun para sa'yo, and you just want different things in life. Magkakasundo tayo, let's chika about it.
Hi, Glaze here! Welcome to Life with Glaze, where we talk about doing things not the usual way. This series, we are talking about the freelance industry or the VA industry. One controversial topic, and most asked actually, is about industry saturation. And I'm here to tell you, based on my experience, and based on my own delulu, kasi wala, kailangan talaga yun minsan, saturation is a myth. And if ipo-focus mo talaga yung mind mo, competition will be nothing to you. Like, hindi ka masisway nun. Why do I say that? Okay, number one, saturation. Lagi namang yan ang sinasabi about any industry. Diba? Saturated na yan, saturated na yan. Pero honestly, kung saturation at saturation lang din ang pag-uusapan natin, ang dami pa rin bagong phone. Hindi ba lahat may phone na? Ang dami pa rin nagbebenta ng laptop, ng health supplements, ng skincare. Grabe, as in, diba? I mean, just think about it. Okay, so in the industry naman, why do I say na there's no such thing as saturation? Connected to dun sa isang topic na nilabas ko last time, which is you focusing yourself, your value, and your growth. Kasi ganun yun eh. Kung focus ka, saturated, blah, 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 di sige, saturated talaga. Ewan ko na lang. Diba? Pero if you focus on yourself, on your growth, ikaw lang, saya lang, focus talaga. Huwag ka nang tumingin left and right. Madidistract ka lang eh. Bakit ko sinasabi na sa akin walang saturation? For example na lang, in my niche, the podcast management, sobrang green pa talaga. Nung pumasok ako, which is like more than 3 years ago in the industry, so ang bilis kong naging in demand. Nox! Ang bilis kasi nasa infancy pa yung industry. Kumbaga nakapasok ako na nagkaroon ako ng sariling niche kasi that time, yes, marami na rin naman nagpo-podcast at marami naman din nagbibigay ng ganong service, pero dahil ito yung mga sobrang professional talaga na audio engineer, broadcast quality, ganyan. So yung niche ko is hindi naman yung mga talagang commercial podcast. So yung mga solopreneurs, small business owners, at saka yung mga, yung mga nagsisimula lang, gusto lang talaga mag-podcast, diba? So ang bilis ko naging in demand. And then, after a while, nakita ko na ang taas talaga ng demand in the industry. That's why nga, nag-train pa ako ng ibang VAs, how to do it, and then naglabas ako ng online course. Na yung online course ko, yung nag-enroll doon, is umabot talaga ng 5,000 plus. And then marami doon, nag-connect sa akin, nakakuha na sila ng mga client nila, nag-freelance na rin sila. Meron doon, mga ilan-ilan doon, nagtrabaho na rin sa agency namin. And yes, naging podcast manager sila. But imagine, 3 years ago yun, pero, doon sa 3 years na yon hanggang ngayon, ang taas pa rin ng demand. To the point na, dahil mahal na mahal ko siya, kahit na nagkaroon ako ng ibang role, pumayag ako at tumatanggap pa rin ako ng clients for podcast management. Eh, kung iisipin mo, kung may saturation, doon sa 5,000 plus na nag-enroll at tinuruan ko, kahit na 10% lang doon ang tumuloy talaga in the industry, kahit nga 5%, and hindi lang naman ako, siguro yung nagtuturo, kung saturated, bakit ang dami pa rin needs? So, of course, pagka nilagay mo yung sarili mo, sige, let's say, iba, social media management, yun, mas matagal na, mas marami, feeling nila, madali. Pero sabihin ko sa inyo, ang taas pa rin talaga ng demand. Like sa agency where I do my freelance, where I do my work, ang taas pa rin talaga ng demand sa social media management, sa SEO. Kung saturated, naku, sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi, ang taas talaga ng demand. And also, I have a friend na meron din siyang agency, tapos ang niche nila, social media management din. Kung saturated na at wala na, edi sana, di ba? So, myth lang talaga yung saturation. Okay, maniwala, at chika lang yun. Go lang, pili kayo kung anong gusto mo. Kasi, okay, sabihin na natin, sige, saturated or whatever, madaming competition. Pero pag nag-focus ka talaga sa growth mo, nag-improve ka, alam mo na ang value na nilalagay mo sa market, magaling ka, nako, wala yan. Wala yung saturation, wala yung competition. Makakahanap ka ng sarili mong market, makaka-break in ka, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong pangalan, and makakakuha ka ng clients, diba? Bakit? Ilan lang ba naman ang clients na kayang kuhanin ng isang tao? Diba? Ang laki-laki ng marketplace, diba? Ang market mo, hindi lang naman dito sa Philippines. It's all over the world. Hello! Ang laki noon. Diba? Computing mo. Kaya ba yun ng isang tao? 2, 10, hindi. So if you wanna start, I'm encouraging you, go lang. Pili ka lang ng something na gusto mo talaga. Kasi pag gusto mo talaga, mag-focus ka dyan magiging magaling ka dyan. So ang skills kasi na-improve naman yan, napapag-aralan yan, one step at a time. Don't look na left and right, okay? So, focus ka lang sa sarili mong growth and eventually, makakakuha ka and mag-grow ka din doon sa industry na yon. And, halimbawa, yun ang vision mo, magkakapangalan ka doon. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Another thing, competition. Yun nga focus on yourself. Bakit ka mag-focus sa competition? Alam mo, when I started the podcast management, hindi ko talaga yung pinansin. Wala yun. There's no such thing. Halimbawa, may nabalitaan ako na may ganito din, nagtuturo. Wala akong pakialam. As in, parang ang salbahe nung pagkakasabi, no? Parang ang maldita. But, no, I'm just saying na you can have your own niche, your own name, your own style. Nag-iisa ka lang naman Sabihin natin, pare-pareho kayo ng skill. Hindi man ikaw ang pinakamagaling. Like ako, hindi naman ako ang pinakamagaling. Inaamin ko naman yan. Pero, meron akong something special na akin lang yon na dinadala sa market. So, for me, sabihin nyo na, ilusyonada, delulo, whatever. Basta for me, walang saturation at walang competition. I know. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, di ba? Pag-uusapan natin dito, doing things the unusual way. That's the usual So, wala yun sa akin. So I hope I encourage you if you want to do this. If gusto mong itry talaga, sige lang, alam mo, go. Go lang, try lang ng try in life. Ganyan, wala nang mawawala. Mawawala ba? Wala, di ba? So, go lang. Push. So, kung may mga tanong pa, you want more about this topic, so just subscribe, follow me at Life with Glaze in all channels. I also teach podcast editing and podcast management. I have a course, so if you're interested in that, just ask me. I'm a DM away, just send a message and we'll help you, support you. I'm here just to say na kaya mo to. As in, for me, kung mas maraming may encourage to do something in their life, mag-improve, break away from the status quo, I support that. And the more tayo na makagawa niyan, at least, diba, we can make a change. Right? Not just for the next generation, but in our generation. So yes, I'm encouraging you, go, 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 kaya mo yan talaga. So bye, enjoy life, I'll see you around, bye!